Buddy, welcome to the channel. Taking a look this morning over at XRP. We are on a daily chart. We're on Trading View. We're going to see what is going on with this thing and why it's not moving. But we do have some hope for the future. We are very bullish on XRP. So it looks like this morning, this is March 30th, 5:20 in the morning. XRP looks like we're trading at 86 cents, up not quite 1%, hanging in there. So there is an important level, and that level is 85 cents, give or take a little bit, for XRP, basically right around here. And you can see how XRP has been finding some resistance at this area, and recently once again over on the big day we had on the 28th a couple days ago, yesterday, and then this morning. Looks like we're giving it another shot here to the upside. Looks like we put in some kind of a double top, so taking the high of the 28th of March and bringing that over to the February highs, the early February highs. Looks like a little bit of a double top. I don't think that is going to play out to be a long-term play, as in double top and then we'll fade to the downside. I don't think that is going to happen here, but as of right now, it has a little bit of a double top look. But I do have hope. 85 cents is an important area, and the sooner we can get above that level, the better scenario for XRP. If we keep sitting here, at some point this thing will fade to the downside, but we are not quite there yet. But we're keeping our eye on 85 cents. It's an important level, and we're battling right now at that level, and you can really see that if we take a look in at the 3-minute chart. So check this out. You can see how XRP has been battling the area on my chart, the white line, the horizontal line. And we broke above it, turned it into a support, moved higher, came back to it, wicked right down to it, broke below it, and we are just at this battle right now. And for the bulls, the battle needs to be won to the upside, so it needs to turn it into support like it did over in here on the 28th of March and move higher, get to that next area in the chart to the upside. And you can see, if you continue to zoom out, how this area has been playing a role for a while now. 85 cents found resistance over in here in the 22nd of March. So keep your eyes on that 85 cent area for XRP. It is quite important, and we do need to get back above it. And the sooner we can do that, the better for the XRP bulls. So that is that. Let me throw something else on the chart. You can kind of see this whole area here is a big basing structure, basically from this high over in the almost $2 range, high $9.90 range. This is a giant base. Looks like if you drew a descending trend line here, it's basically a giant wedge that should at some point, and I think we're in the early stages of it right now, really break to the upside, and probably quite strong, like you saw back in here in August of 21, where we just had this massive move to the upside. But let me throw some fibs on the chart and you'll see what's going on right now. So swing high to basically the swing low, right around there. Zoom in, and you could see that the 236 fib level, which is this right here, this red horizontal line on the chart. Where are we trading at right now? Well, that fib level is at 85 cents, give or take, and we are pinned, basically stuck, and have been for a little while, right at that Fibonacci level. So you could see how these correlate with the chart and the patterns and the pricing. It's all tied together. So that explains why we have been finding resistance here and battling this area. It's a fib level off one of the more major swing highs to the swing low. So once we get above it, that would be great. And then we'll head up, we'll head up to the 382, which is at a little bit more than $1 up in here. And then from there, you have the other fib levels, the 0.5, 618, 786, all laid out here on the chart. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to break out and then stop at that fib level and then stop at the next one and so on. It can obviously do whatever it wants, and it can move quite strong. It could head right up to the 618 in, within a day or two. But when you see the price consolidating at certain areas, it's usually around a Fibonacci level. So I just wanted to share that, and keep your eye on that 85, give or take 86 cent range. It's important. We need to get above it sooner or later. And if we don't, this thing could roll over to roll down for a while until who knows when, until it's ready. But it's trying right now. And I think we're at an important time in the market where you're seeing the altcoins start to run, and XRP is trying to get some momentum under its belt. And I think once it does, it will have no problem moving to the upside. So something else quite interesting is if you look back over here in this time frame, in looks like 2020 into 2021, you can see that we had this long consolidation, this choppy sideways action. I remember this quite well. And we blasted out above that whole range within a bar or two, right there. Something similar could be playing out now. So you could take this whole range that we're in right now, and we could be blasting out of this within a couple bars. And I would not be surprised to see that. This thing has been coiled up for a long time, and I think it has a lot of energy that needs to be released. And I believe, personally, and not financial advice, it will be released to the upside. So time will tell. That's my thoughts on XRP. Let me know down in the video comments your thoughts. Obviously, these low price levels are not too much to fret over, but if you are trading this thing, I can tell you that an important level is where we're sitting at right now, and the sooner we can get above that, the better. So that is my thoughts on XRP. We do offer a trading signals group down here in our Patreon. Check that out if you're into more short-term XRP trading. You like buy and protective pricing stops. That is something we do offer in our Patreon group. So check that out down in the video description. All right, everybody, have a fantastic trading day. Be careful out there. These markets are volatile. We are patiently waiting, and have been for quite some time now, for XRP to really start to move. And we think we are closer now than ever. Who knows? But we patiently wait. And right now on our radar is this 85 to 86 cent range. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. Consider subscribing to this channel if you have not already. I appreciate all of you, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care.